Hello everyone, good morning all of you. This is Dr. Sudarshan Samaj Rapid Assistant Professor Department of Zoology Kailasas Shirasaka Mahavidyalaya Devani, your zoology companion, and welcome to my lecture. In the last lecture we also completed the pollution. There are three kinds of pollution we have completed: air, water and noise pollution. Now today we will learn about next topic of our syllabus, that is energy resource. So let's get started today's lecture. We know very well Mother Nature is a quite generous, right? For thousands of years, it has provided us with all of our basic needs, right? Like air, water, sunlight, food, clothing, and shelter, right? So, up to the beginning of 20th century, our thinking was that our natural treasure were eternal and virtually inexhaustible, right? So, it is observing the present trend of ever increasing human population and mindless exploitation of this repository, we can speculate for future that mankind seems to be heading for a grim time which might be full of shortage, scarcities and chaos. Okay, so that is the one particular resources as resource it will be used in the futures. Okay, so this is the one particular introductory part. Then classification of natural resource. So we may classify resource into two major types, okay, according to how they are affected by their consumers. Okay, so first is the conventional energy resource and second is the non-conventional energy resource. So conventional energy resource is also called as is also called as non-renewable resource. Why? Because these resources once gone have very little chance of recovery or resynthesis. Okay, what is meant by the conventional energy resource? These resources once gone have a very little chance of recovery or resynthesis. That resource is called as conventional energy resource or non-renewable resource. Okay, so non-renewable or conventional energy resource are not altered by use. Okay, for example, space once occupied becomes unavailable, right? Means the if you space once occupied they become unavailable in the next time, right? In that minerals deposit are formed slowly over millions of years and once used cannot be regenerated. Okay, for example, fossil fuels, nuclear power, hydel power. Okay, these these energy resources we cannot resynthesize, we cannot regenerate it again and again. It means it is a once gone have a little chance to recovery. Okay, it is called the conventional energy resource. Another next is the non-conventional energy resource. That non-conventional energy resource we also call it as renewable resources, right? Means these resources are constantly regenerated or renewed. That resources is called non-conventional energy resources or renewable energy resources. Okay, so it means these resources are constantly regenerated or renewed. That's why we call it as non-conventional energy resource, right? For example, solar energy, wind energy and tidal energy. These we know very well. Solar energy is continuously regenerated, renew, as well as wind energy is continuously regenerated, as well as tidal energy is also continuously regenerated. Okay, that is the main and important difference between conventional energy resource and non-conventional energy resource. Okay, so first of all we concentrate, or first of all we study the conventional energy resource. Okay, so first is the conventional energy resource. In that, fossil fuels. Question may arise in your mind, what is mean by the fossil fuels? Oil, gas and coal form non-renewable energy. Okay, means the non means the conventional energy resource. Okay, oil, gas and coal form a non-renewable. It means once oil, it contain oil, petroleum. Okay, we know very well, we have used the petroleum once time, that time we cannot regenerate it. Okay, it means the oil, gas and coal we have used only one time and we cannot resynthesize. Okay, and that is included in the conventional energy resource. Okay, so in the fuels, it contain one particular coal. Okay, so in the fuels, minerals include mainly non-renewable fossil energy. Okay, resources such as coal, petroleum and natural gas. In the fuel minerals include mainly non-renewable fossil energy resources such as coal, petroleum means the oil and natural gas, all of which exist in a large quantity and lie buried under the ground. Okay, we have we know that is the uh, quantity of these resource is large quantities. Okay, and these resources generally we have seen in the lie buried under the ground, right? And due to their great importance in a generation of energy, these natural resources are receiving utmost attention. It means it is estimated that with ever increasing use of energy in present industrial urban complexes up to year 2000. Okay, so global energy requirement would rise by 58% if the energy production fails to keep pace with the growth rate of our consumption. A catastrophic situation may arise. Okay, it means the fast depletion chances of these fuels and the impacts of their extraction and utilization on the environment are certain other serious problems. Okay, so that is one particular fuels. It contain coal, petroleum is the oil and natural gas. First of all we have seen here, see here, that is the coal. We know very well coal is regarded as our most plentiful and useful fossil fuels. Okay, this is largely carbon mixed with incombustible mineral matter of earth crust, right? Coal is formed by the transformation of layers and layers of decomposed vegetable and animal matter under the combined effect of heat pressure of earth. Okay, that is the coal, right? So another next is the, sorry, remaining parts we will see later on. Thank you very much.